Are you frustrated with your Ford Escape's vents not working? You need to watch this. Hey there. If your Ford Escape's vents aren't working, don't worry. Let's go through some simple checks. First, make sure your air conditioning is turned on. Sounds obvious, but it happens. Next, check the climate control settings. Make sure it's not on-off or recirculate. Sometimes just toggling these can get the air flowing again. Still no luck? Check your car's fuse box. A blown fuse can stop the vents from working. The fuse box is usually under the dashboard or in the engine bay. The owner's manual will help you find and check the right fuse. If the fuse is fine, it might be the blower motor. Listen for any noise when you turn on the fan. No sound might mean a faulty motor. Lastly, check the cabin air filter. A clogged filter can block airflow. It's usually behind the glove box. A quick change might solve the problem. If you've tried all these steps and it's still not working, it might be time to visit a mechanic. Sometimes a professional touch is what you need. And there you go. Simple steps to help you get your Ford Escape vents working again. Thanks for watching and stay cool.